Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable setting up spending categories with Mint alternatives, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the financial management tool you would like to use as an alternative to Mint. Create an account if you don't already have one, or log in if you are an existing user. Once you are logged in, locate the Settings or Preferences section on the dashboard. Click on the section that pertains to budgeting or financial organization. Look for an option labeled Spending Categories or Category Management. Select this option to begin customizing your spending categories. You may find predefined categories already available. Review them to see if they fit your needs. If you want to create new categories, look for an option to add or customize categories. Enter the name for your new category and, if applicable, include a description. Select an icon or color for your new category to help differentiate it visually. After saving your new category, go back to your main dashboard to track your spending. To assign transactions to your new categories, locate your recent transactions. Edit each transaction and assign it to the appropriate spending category you have set up. Regularly review your spending reports to see how you're using your budget. Make adjustments to your categories as necessary to better reflect your spending habits. Explore any additional features the tool offers to maximize your financial management capabilities. Familiarize yourself with the app's reporting tools to gain insights into your financial trends. Follow these steps consistently to maintain an organized budget using your selected Mint alternative. Enjoy a clearer understanding of your finances with customized spending categories. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.